Today I want to talk to you about something that's a little tricky, and that's when someone is critical of you in your role as a PTO leader. Now listen, this has totally happened to me where someone said, I think, well, they didn't exactly say, I think you are doing a horrible job, but I heard through the grapevine that they weren't happy with whatever I was doing. So the one mistake that people make is that they assume that it's actually about you and that it's not about them, when half the time the criticism is actually has nothing to do with you, and it has everything to do with the other person and their lack of self-esteem and their lack of confidence. The lack of confidence is something that is plaguing so many PTO and PTA volunteers. As women, we need to know that, heck yeah, we totally have this. If you don't have the information, you can totally get the information. Heck, you found this channel, so you know how to be one resourceful woman and get the answers that you need. Likewise, there's so many tools available out there. I have an entire shop filled with tools that help PTO leaders just like you, so you know that you can find stuff like this. The other thing that you should think about when someone's critical of you is it actually kind of spot on? As much as that can hurt and feel like a knife to the gut, sometimes you just need to own up to it and go, yeah, I totally screwed that one up, but I'm not going to make the same mistake the next time. So look at it as an opportunity to grow and to be a better leader, because that's what it's really about. It's not about feeling horrible because someone said something about you that wasn't very nice or that was critical of you and that you're horrible and you should step out of the role. No. You need to have the confidence to know that that's just going to help you grow as a leader and become a better leader. So I hope this little pep talk helps you if you are in that place. I know if you're lucky enough that you've never been criticized, then woo, there you go. I am very happy for you. But most PTO leaders and PTA leaders have had some criticism at some point along the way, so I hope this resonates with you. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and subscribe.